We'll guide you through how to create a Trello account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Trello website using your preferred web browser on your computer. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a Sign UP button located towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to begin creating your new account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access easily, as you'll need it for verification purposes. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to create a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Once you have your password set, click on Sign You. Trello may ask you to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After that, you might receive an email asking you to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Trello, and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you'll be redirected back to Trello, where you can set up your profile. Enter your full name and choose a username. The username is how others will find you on Trello, so pick something unique and memorable. Once you've filled out these details, click on the Finish button. Congratulations, you now have a Trello account. You can start creating boards and organizing your tasks right away. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.